Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your page name. So first you have to select your page which you wanna change name. So I have already selected Crick Arena. So then you have to go down and click setting and privacy, and then the first option is appearing page settings. So again, in personal information, edit profile name and username, and here is name Crick Arena. And if you can choose your name you want to create. So I will click it. So HUYU review, and then I will enter my password and then save changes. So now my name has been submitted and it will be changed within 7 days. So maybe it will take time, but most of the time name has been updated within 7 days. So in notification you will see your request has been submitted, but in my case it's not appearing, but request has been forwarded. And here you can see page settings for cricket HYU. So your page name will be changed soon. So here you can see my page name has been updated within few seconds. Before was taking time, but now change immediately. So in this way you can change your page name. Thanks for watching.